Hello guys, welcome to Channel Pro Gadgets. Today, I am telling you about Optoma GT2100 HDR home theater and gaming projector. Start the video now. Optoma GT2100 HDR compact short throw laser home theater and gaming projector. 1080p HD with 4K HDR input, bright 4200 lumens for day and night viewing brand. Recommended uses for product: education, home cinema, gaming, business. Special feature: energy efficiency, DuraCore laser technology, ultra compact design, full 3D. Connectivity technology, USB, HDMI. Display resolution 1920 by 1080. About this item: dependable laser light source. DuraCore laser light technology eliminates lamp and filter replacements for up to 30,000 hours of virtually maintenance-free operation. IPX6 dust resistance rating ensures optical engine durability. Short throw lens. Experience a 120-inch, 10-foot image projected from just 4.4 in away. It's great for smaller spaces and allows for easier installation. 1080p HD resolution. Displays sharp and detailed 1080p, 1920 by 1080 high-definition content without downscaling or compression. Enhanced game mode for lightning-fast response time. Delivers low-input 4K 60Hz at 1080p 60Hz, 17 milliseconds, 8 milliseconds at 1080p 120Hz, 16 milliseconds at 1080p 60Hz, 4K HDR input, and 300,001 contrast ratio. HDR10 and HLG support provides rich cinematic color, brighter whites and deeper blacks, and dynamic black delivers a stunning 300,001 contrast ratio. Product link in description. Click the description and click the product link and buy the product. If you like the video, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.